We live in a fast-moving world of unlimited possibilities, where new technologies are constantly reshaping our work, our relationships, and our realities. And yet, many of us sense something is missing. The more we progress, the more disengaged and disconnected from our authentic nature we seem to be. With all this external growth driving us ever forward and all this power at our fingertips, can't we do more to transform our internal lives too? We believe that together we can. That's why we created Moments of Space, weaving ancient Dzogchen meditation with cutting-edge technology to create a new platform for awakening. Our AI-powered, eyes-open approach to meditation is designed to help you find lasting peace and presence on the move, on the go, and wherever you are. By making advanced ancient teachings accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time, we aspire to unlock awakening for all. But we can't do it alone. That's why Moments of Space is not just another meditation app. It's a collective, aspiring to co-create, co-own, and share in the power and potential of awakening together. Because when we combine the Buddhist wisdom of the past and the technological intelligence of the future with the power of community, we can move through this fast-moving world more connected, more conscious, and fully awake to the possibilities around us and within us. Join Moments of Space and let's journey towards unlocking awakening together.